All right, DGens, take a breath. If the IRS just slid a letter into your mailbox, I want you to pause the panic. Yes, it's serious. Yes, the IRS is watching crypto. But no, it's not the end of the world. Let's talk about Letter 6174A and Letter 6173. What they mean, what to do, and why this could actually be a chance to get ahead of the game. Before we get started, just a quick heads up. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial or tax advice. Everyone's situation is different. If you've received a letter from the IRS and you're unsure what to do next, reach out to our team at cryptotaxaudit.com. We've helped thousands of crypto investors and traders like you. Now let's get into it. All right, let's start with the lighter of the two IRS letters, 6174A. This one, I like to call the gentle nudge. It's the IRS saying, hey, we saw crypto activity under your name. Take a second look at your tax return. No replies required. But it's a heads up. You're on their radar. If you filed correctly, you're good. If you didn't, this is your shot to clean it up before things escalate. Think of it as a warning light, not a fire. If you have got one of these in the mail, no problem. Our expert team will break it down for you, line by line. Tap the link in this video to schedule your free audit letter review today. Moving on, fam. If you got a letter 6173 from the IRS, let's talk. I know it feels like a jump scare, but let's get one thing straight. Don't panic, don't rush, and definitely don't sign anything. Not yet. So what is letter 6173? It's the IRS saying, hey, we think you had crypto income and maybe you didn't report it right. Sometimes it's vague. Sometimes it lists years like 2016 to 2020, and sometimes it includes a sneaky little form asking you to sign a statement under penalty of perjury that your return is correct. Yeah, that's not just a check this box moment. Here's the dangerous part they don't tell you. That statement they want you to sign? It's a legal affidavit. If the IRS later finds anything off in your return, they can use your own words to claim fraud or intentional misreporting. Even if you made an honest mistake, now they've got you signing that it was perfect. Do not sign it, at least not until you've talked to a real crypto tax professional. It's like signing a smart contract with hidden code. Click it and boom, it's wallet drained. Look, we get it. These letters feel intense, but you don't have to face them alone. That's why we built this service, so you can get real answers from people who've handled this exact situation hundreds of times. So if you got a letter and need help reviewing what they're asking you to sign, no problem. We've got your back. Just click the link in the video, head to cryptotaxaudit.com to schedule your confidential, no-pressure review with our expert team. We've seen these letters asking about 2016, 2017, 2018, but here's the thing. The IRS can't usually audit that far back unless they're alleging fraud. So if they really had something on you from those years, they would have audited you already. Instead, they're hoping you volunteer the info yourself. Don't hand them the ammo. You have rights and you have options. Let's get something straight right now. You are not required to sign that affidavit. You are not required to confirm or deny anything without legal representation. You can protect yourself. You should get strategic help. And you will be okay, as long as you don't act out of fear. Here's what you should do. Stay calm. Don't sign or send anything. Yet, call in the professionals, especially if you're staring at one of these letters. Our Director of Tax Resolution is a licensed enrolled agent who's defended cases just like yours. Confidential, no pressure, totally judgment-free. So if the IRS slid into your mailbox with a 6173 or 6174A, don't ghost them. Hit the link in the description below. We'll handle that letter before it liquidates your portfolio. Here's what we'll do if you book the free review. First, we'll go through the letter line by line, so you actually know what it says. If it's audit-related, we'll let you know what the IRS might be expecting and what your next steps should be. If crypto income needs recalculating, our analysts can handle that too. And if it turns into a full-blown audit, you're covered. Our team specializes in IRS crypto audit defense. You don't have to face the IRS alone. Click the link, book your free review, and let's get you sorted. At Crypto Tax Audit, we've helped hundreds of traders respond to these exact letters successfully. Now it's your turn. Remember, you're not alone, you're not doomed, and you're not the first to go through this. So if you're holding that IRS letter and your heart rate's up, let's bring it back down. You're going to be okay, as long as you take action now. Click the link, book a review. Let's squash the IRS stress so you can focus on what really matters. Trading, stacking, and 10xing those bags. That's it for this week, DGens. So go out, make money, pay taxes, make more money, and let Crypto Tax Audit handle the IRS for you.